Hello! Is it possible from Pinterest to the table? I wanted to do a handprint plate because I needed a plate, and I wanted to use my hand, but they all looked a little messy, so I was looking for ideas through Pinterest, and then by accident on Instagram I found Becca Jane, and her art is beautiful, and that's beccajane.com. And so I was looking at her picture of a hand and I didn't want to copy it, but I really did want to use the white lines inside my hand. So I found a place in Madrid where they let you paint the piece and then they glaze it and they fire it in a big kiln. So first thing, I drew around my hand, and I didn't do handprint, I drew around it. But I decided then, second thoughts, to paint the paint white all over the plate. And with the white paint, the lady who works there, Edith, told me that it would be a brighter white than after. Then I filled in my handprint shape with, it's called Azul Árabe, which is Arab blue paint. While that was drying, I put my name and the date on the back because, hey, it's cool when you see you have your own plate with your name on it. Then I went on with a sharpish wooden stick and I scraped out the pattern I wanted, and the brush was to remove the dust. And I didn't want to copy the Becca Jane design, but I took the design of the fingers and the wrist the same, and then added on a little bit of filling in and moving because I don't want to steal the design. I just really want to emulate it because I thought it was so beautiful. So if you go to Instagram to her account, it's beautiful. The color of her ceramics are wonderful. So as you can see, I was going over the lines and making sure it was like neat and putting little details in. And that was with 2 coats of blue paint first. There it was, finished. That was me and my friend Lola from Lola Mohe Designs.com. And this is the place. And as you can see, if you're in Madrid, it's a great place because you can have a drink. And they have all different ceramic pieces, and you look at the price next to the piece, and the price next to the piece is the price when it's actually all glazed and being in the kiln. So that's what you pay, and you can have tea or whatever. So it's a really nice evening to go. So here we can see the glaze, which is after. So they cover it in that, and then it goes into the kiln, which is right there. Then you have to wait a few days, and they tell you when it will be ready. So a few days later, I went back, I looked through the window, and there was my plate. I was really worried because sometimes the colors don't come out the color you think. So here we have my plate finished. Woo! And so is it possible Instagram or Pinterest the table? Yes. I'm really happy with my plate. I'm going to be using it for food. And I hope to do like 4 plates more with blue and white, but probably not hands. I don't know what they will be. So if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to Kimkat Madrid. And remember to click like on the video if you like the video. This is Kimkat. Bye.